Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to withdraw money from OneXBet to your bank account. So let's start. First, let's go to OneXBet official page and then just log into your account. Then let's go to our account and then let's go to the left side and we find many options here. In my case, this is in Spanish, but the same steps are in English. So just go to, let's go to withdraw money here. And then, well, appears the way to you can withdraw money. There are all the methods. There is Fry Pay, by electronic bill, or different ways to do it. So just select the one that you want to use. In this case, if you want to buy a Pay, just click there. And then you have to put the amount, the name, the username, and also your email and the bank that you want to transfer and the bank code. Just click there. Then it appears like if there is a proof, just confirm it, and that's it. That's the way to withdraw money from OneXBet to your bank account without any problem. As you can see, it's very easy to do it. Just you have to have a bank account, of course, to withdraw the money. So guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.